Teacher Tina and Teacher Arcel. Now, let's give a huge round of applause to our astonishing main cast. Let's begin with Tobias Jason, Arvin as John, Una as Rachel, Lucian as Jenny, Gia as Casey, Mara as Callie, Tyron as Steven, Joash as Booker T. Worm, Brave as Rebecca Rogdoll, and Brian as narrator. A round of applause. And of course, with a special participation of our dear teachers, Teacher Shabs as Tarvin Marvin, Teacher Jay as Mr. Rainbow, and a warm round of applause for Teacher Karen as Nani Bird. This event wouldn't be successful without the knowledge and support of our school directress, Teacher Maria Cecil Celis.
Well, why don't we give our children another round of applause? Thank you. And this is also, we would like to take this time to thank our staff and the teachers. We'll start with our props crew, Kuya John and Kuya Ryan, Coach Manny, and Teacher Manuel. Palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you. Our backstage mothers, Ate Isa and Ate Glyshel. We also have, who did I miss? Of course, our assistant directors, Teacher Yena and Teacher Fabi. And holding the spot, the follow spot for us is Miss Gab up there. Teacher Mary, our sound technician, our sound designer, and Teacher Kyla. There's Teacher Kyla. Their children, clap your hands for the people up there. And the person you always see at the front of the house, Miss Honey. There's Miss Honey. Did I miss anyone? Of course, we should not miss the woman, the person who stage all this, who concocted all the ideas and put them all here on stage. Our director, Teacher Maribel Golpez.